All right, Mustang fans, take a look at what we have here. 2008 Ford Mustang Bullitt. This one in dark Highland green metallic. This particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Very nice shape, well taken care of. Little over 10,000 miles on it is all. Should take a look at this front fascia. Free really of any rock chips, dings or scratches. Did see just a couple little tiny itty bitty spots. I don't know if I can get them to show up here or not. One right there where it's been touched up with matching dark Highland green paint, so you can tell it's been well taken care of. There's some goodies that'll go with this as far as a Steve McQueen picture of the original Bullitt, a die cast. I'll show you those here in just a second. Original window sticker. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, engine bay, trunk, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us too, 507-386-1726. It's riding on Michelin Pilot Sport radials that were put on in 2018. You'll be able to see a picture of each one of those in the tread depth. Tires are in great shape on this car. Of course, the charcoal leather interior. 5-speed manual transmission paired up with that 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood. As you can see, tasteful rear quarter window treatment there, painted to match. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This Bullitt happens to be number 1296 in the sequential number of Bullets that were produced in 8 and 9. Now, here's some of the things that are going to go with it. There's a little manila folder of receipts and what have you that will go with the car. Window sticker. There's a picture of Steve McQueen in the original Bullitt movie. We're going to take a look at the taillights here too. I believe the sequential taillights were put in. And a trophy, and then that die cast of the original Bullitt. And that box you see right there is the original wiring harness for the brake lights, taillights. Remember, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side here too. Again, really free of much of any nicks, dings, scratches. You can see the reflection showroom behind me. So paint is in nice shape on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Is going to be what you'd expect for a low mile car. Also original door panels. Take a look at the seats, the leather and the bolster, all in fine shape. No unordinary wear or anything like that. Does have power seat on the driver's side. Slide it back. Let's start it up so you can hear this run. All right. Check your miles, exact miles on it. It does have an aftermarket Sony stereo, works fine. 10,227 actual miles. There's that Sony stereo. Factory ones from Ford were known to have problems with the CD changer. More than likely why this one has been replaced. Dash in great shape. Alright, let's take a look at the rear of this. Let you check out those taillights. Click on the blinkers. There you can see the sequential blinker and get an idea how it sounds. Did not really notice any aftermarket ads as far as with exhaust or under the hood with cold air intake or anything like that. Just the way it would have came with the Ford Racing cold air intake. Alright, let's pause this a second, pop that hood, and let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Get a look at the hood liner, you can tell this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Engine bay looking as it should. These Bullits have really come along in popularity. Quite familiar with them. We do sell a few of these throughout the year, so if you're looking for one, this is a very nice example. Bullitt number at 1296. We have that strut tower brace. Smooth running V8 underneath there. There you go, looking for a nice Bullitt, low miles, good shape. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. Of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.